Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Colony. Today we'll be making oxtail with carrot and potato. And I hope you have been enjoying what I've been presenting to you so far. And on this channel, I try to find creative ways in which we can prepare and enjoy the meals that we're so accustomed to. I try to do that so that it suits different palates. But it is still yummy, it's still tasty, and a quick and easy way to do it also. I'd like to thank my subscribers and my viewers for supporting my channel. It is really appreciated. Oxtail is another well-loved meat back home. It can be very tasty, but it is rather expensive. It is only prepared whenever you can afford it. Beans are the most popular addition, but you can jazz it up the way you like. I've seen people add pumpkins, I've seen people add spinners. Do it the way you like and the way you enjoy it. And today I'll be adding carrot and potato because I'll be having it with rice and peas. If you'd like to see me do this, then continue watching. Now in our bowl we have some very nice pieces of oxtail, beautiful, and I've already washed and cleaned. And I'm going to season now with some onion, tomato, and garlic. In my next bowl, I have some thyme, bell pepper frozen, and a Scotch bonnet, green one. Now you can use whatever seasoning you have, but I'll be using a little bit of all-purpose, I call it salt. Here I have some complete seasoning, sazon, and then there's a powdered coriander, mixed herb, black pepper, and some sugar. Now you can use whatever you like and you adjust the seasoning based on the amount you have. Right here we have some jerk, and I'm going to use it just for flavor, not for heat. Some liquid seasoning and a little browning. Now it's time to season. And the first thing I'm going to use is the liquid seasoning because I didn't get a chance to season it overnight. This seasoning can be very salty, be very careful, but I use it because it will penetrate the meat quickly. Next thing I'm going to add is a little browning. Just a little. I don't want a lot because I don't like my meat very brown. That's about it. I'm going to use this amount of jerk, less than a tablespoon. Remember, it's only for flavor. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grate my garlic. Now I'm going to grate off this onion because I want flavors in my meat. And because I have a short time to marinate, I do this so it penetrates the meat quickly. I'll be marinating for about 2 hours. Now we mix everything together, one consistent blend, and remember, if you need more while the meat is cooking and you taste it, you add. But you add it in some water. And then you rub everything in. I'm going to allow this to marinate for at least 2 hours. Now it's 2 hours after and it's time to start cooking our oxtail. Now in my pan I have 2 tablespoons of oil and I'm going to add the meat. Just fry for a little. This is the larger pieces. Normally for oxtail we usually use butter beans, but today I'm not using my butter bean. I'll be using carrot and potato because I'll be having peas and I didn't want to overload. After frying for a while, it starts spraying water and we want this water to dry off. I'm going to put some pimento crushed pimento seeds in. And I'm going to cover this for a little, about 10 minutes, to allow more water to get out and dry out. Now we've fried off all that water that was trapped into the meat, and now it's time to put boiling water to let it cook properly. Make sure it's boiling water, and you pour your water from the side and you don't put it on the meat. I'm putting about 2 to 3 cups because I want the meat to be covered, and I'm going to allow it to cook for another hour and a half. I'll come and check occasionally to see how far and to adjust the stove where necessary. Let's cover. Now 1 hour after, it is not yet cooked. We need to give it at least another 3/4 of an hour, but it's boiling down to oil, so it's time to add a cup of water or more. Let's see if we need 2 cups of water. Put to the side, boiling water that is. I'm giving it 2 cups, yeah? Remember, leave your stove on medium low and allow it to cook for another maybe 45 minutes. It's almost cooked because it's separating from the bone. Now this is 25 minutes in, and it's time to add our seasoning because it's cooked. You can see it's separating from the bone now. So it's cooked. So we're going to add our seasoning. First thing I'm going to add is my tomato and onion. Then my thyme and bell pepper. I'm going to allow this to cook. But on top of this, I'm going to add my carrot and my potato. As you remember, I'm not using beans. And I'm going to cover and allow it to steam. I'm not adding water or anything. I'm just going to cover, allowing it to steam, and I'm going to turn the stove to low. 30 minutes on low heat, and this is what we have. Now at this point you may put some ketchup if you want. I don't really want to change the taste of my meat because ketchup tends to be a bit tangy and sometimes too sweet. But I'm not going to put any, but this is it. I'm going to allow it to fry off a little bit more for another 5 minutes, and then your meal will be done. Now here you have it, oxtail with carrot and potato. Simple to cook. Season, sear, add liquid and allow it to cook slowly until it's tender, almost falling from the bone. Oxtail with carrot and potato. Enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. And if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please remember to give me a thumbs up, as this helps to promote my video to others, and also it helps to grow my channel. Thank you very much again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.